for joining me today. So we're going to be opening a Flutter by Silver. So this one's a Flutter by Silver butterfly by Diamond Dotz. So this is an actual Diamond Dot kit because it is Diamond Dots here. Plus it has the turn it this way, the DD number. So this one's DD 5.023, which is an actual Diamond Dot kit number. Again, on the side it has your diamond area. And then on the other side, it has your design and some other information. So let's jump into this. So this is actually the last butterfly I will probably be buying in this collection. There are two more. There is a Flutter by Red, I think it is, and a Flutter by Blue or something. The blue one is basically, if you can see, I think these are monarch butterflies. The blue butterfly in the background is the blue diamond area, and to me it matches too much of the blue. So I have 5 other ones, and I needed a 6th one to complete my area. So let's jump into this canvas. So yes, so this is a little thicker. This is like a regular thick canvas. And you have your, as you can see, your little paper that comes with this. And then your size is 12 by 12. You only have 10 colors. So this one's mainly blues and greens and maybe a couple of purples, or it might be a little purple. Again, 2 key codes, top right, bottom left, and your canvas is very clear. If I can get it to focus in on that. Diamond Dots I have never had a problem except maybe one, which was you could tell it was one of their newer, or not newer, their older kits. This is probably one of their newer kits. And I have never had a problem with clarity of symbols. You're always able to see it. It's not focusing, but very good clarity. And let's jump into these drills. So this one is, again, an actual Diamond Dot kit, so these should come with the actual Diamond Dot drills. If you don't know, I can't even get this open. What I mean by that is Diamond Dot drills are flat on top. If you look at a regular diamond, that is what they look like. So again, this one comes with the spout boat, your grip, your stylus, and your wax little thing. These are good if you empty it out. You can use it as a trash drill tray. That's what I do. But standard toolkit. And then our colors. And let me look really quickly. We do have ABs in here. We have one blue AB. Very pretty. It's a light blue. And yes, these are the typical, very pretty cut Diamond Dot drills. I don't know if you know if you can see it in the packages, what I mean by that, but these have a flat top to them. If I can get it to focus in so you can see. These are the standard Diamond Dot drills. If you've watched the other diamond box paintings I've opened, you will see that they are not flat on top. But pretty colors, you got your purples, your greens, blues, and a few yellows. So, pretty colors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.